Have you ever felt overwhelmed by the sheer number of cordless electric chainsaws on the market? With so many brands and features to consider, it's easy to get lost trying to choose the right tool for your needs. Whether you're a professional or a DIY enthusiast, selecting the best chainsaw can save you time, effort, and even money in the long run. The problem is, not all chainsaws are created equal. Some excel in power and battery life, while others shine in portability and ease of use. In this video, we're here to simplify your decision-making process. We've done the research, tested the products, and narrowed it down to the top 5 cordless electric chainsaws you can rely on. From power to performance, we'll walk you through their standout features, pros, and cons, so you can pick the one that suits you best. Don't forget to check the product links in the description to grab the best deals. Number 5. 6112-inch. Brushless, electric chainsaw, cordless battery saw. This powerful chainsaw is designed for heavy-duty use, thanks to its brushless motor that ensures efficient and long-lasting performance. With a cutting width of up to 60 cm and a lightweight design at just 4 kg, it's perfect for professional woodworking or garden projects. The cordless design, paired with compatibility with Makita 18V batteries, adds flexibility and convenience. Pros include its robust motor and large cutting capacity, making it ideal for larger tasks. However, its relatively higher weight compared to smaller models may not be suitable for extended use by beginners. If you need a reliable tool for heavy-duty cutting, this is a great pick. Number 4. Brushless electric saw 1280YW 6-inch 6M/S chainsaw. Compact yet powerful, this model is perfect for home DIY enthusiasts. With a lightweight build of just 1 kg and a cutting width of 14 cm, it's easy to handle for small to medium jobs. The 1280W motor provides sufficient power, and the inclusion of two 21V batteries ensures extended operation without interruptions. The advantages include its portability and ease of use, making it an excellent option for pruning or trimming tasks. However, the smaller cutting capacity might limit its use for larger projects. For home-based tasks requiring precision and mobility, this chainsaw is a must-have. Number 3. OLMLMO C2 Portable 6 Cordless Chainsaw. Subtitle: This handheld chainsaw strikes a balance between portability and performance. Weighing just 2.2 pounds and featuring a 6-inch blade, it's ideal for quick pruning and branch cutting. The brushless motor provides excellent torque and speed, ensuring smooth cuts every time. Pros include its lightweight design, making it easy to carry and operate, and its powerful motor, which handles small to medium tasks effortlessly. However, its smaller chain length may not be suitable for large-scale projects. This chainsaw is a top choice for users who prioritize convenience and efficiency in their tools. Number 2. Yofidra 12-inch brushless electric saw. The Yofidra chainsaw combines power and precision, boasting a 2000W brushless motor and an 800 RPM speed. Its 12-inch guide plate and quick chain adjustment feature make it ideal for garden and woodworking tasks. The inclusion of a LED digital display for battery status adds a modern touch of convenience. Key advantages include its powerful motor and smart design features, which make it suitable for both professional and home use. On the downside, its slightly heavier weight of 2.5 kg might be a concern for extended use. If you want a tool that delivers both performance and modern features, this is a great option. Number 1. SEESII Cordless Mini Chainsaw. Topping our list is the SEESII 6-inch cordless chainsaw, a compact and versatile tool perfect for home DIY and gardening. Featuring a brushed motor and two 4.0H batteries, it offers unmatched portability and extended use. The 36DL chain transmission ensures smooth and efficient cuts, while the quick charging time of just 2 to 3 hours makes it a time saver. The pros are its lightweight design and fast operation, making it easy for anyone to use. However, its smaller cutting capacity might not cater to larger tasks. For users who need a reliable, easy-to-use chainsaw for light-duty applications, the SEESI is a standout choice.